celebrate the 41st annual Penn Center Heritage Day celebration here at historic Penn Center.
That's James Jameson. Come on, y'all, put your hands together. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you say what can make me feel this way. It's my girl, talking about my girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see him on HBO, Comedy Central, Showtime at the Apollo. He's the man of 1,000 voices. Put your hands together for James Stevens III.
Come on, let's get this party started. Come on. Here we go. Oh, my first, my last, my hurt. I sound good tonight, y'all. And have such to all my dreams.
Hey, people in the back row.
You're the first, my boo-boo-boo, my high.
Oh, I sound good.
I should be in the group. My kind of wonderful. That's what you are. My grandmother still lives. She lives in Conway still. She's 97 years old. And I came from Los Angeles. I've been knowing her since I was little, but I was adopted. I was raised on the West Coast. And I called her up because that's my nana. I called her up and I forgot since I've been here, I forgot stuff like I didn't forget that a garden utensil was called a hoe. Yeah, so I called her on the phone. I said, Nana, what you doing? She said, baby, I'm outside hoeing. I said, what? She said, I'm hoeing. I said, Nana, you hoeing by yourself? Me and a couple of girls from church, we hoeing together. I said, Nana, how long you been hoeing? She got 35 years. I said, you ever get tired of hoeing? She said, sometimes my knees be bothering me. I said, Nana, there's no way you're hoeing. She said, your mama was the biggest hoe in South Carolina. Are y'all getting this? It's not your grandmother's Motown show, right? This is the real deal. It's comical, it's funny, and these are some bad boys. So put your hands together for the Detroit City Boys.
Sugar bone, sugar bone, sugar bone. I can turn back the hands of time. You better believe I can. I can make decisions change just by waving my hand. I can change anything out of you. The things I wanna do the most, I'm unable to do. How happy am I with all these powers I possess? But girl, you're the key to my happiness, and
Did y'all enjoy the show? Yeah. One more round of applause. Yeah. Can we get an encore song? Can we get an encore song?
Oh, what a night to love you, dear. Love you, dear. Oh, what a night to hold you, dear. Hold you, dear. Oh, what a night to kiss you, dear. Kiss you, dear. That's why I love you so. Oh, what a night to hold you, dear. Hold you, dear. Oh, what a night to squeeze you, dear. Squeeze you, dear. Oh, what a night to kiss you, dear. Kiss you, dear. That's why I love you so. I won't forget all those things you have told to me. what a night. Oh, what a night.
Help me out, brother. Come on.
Earth angel, earth angel, will you be mine? My darling, my darling, I love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell and I knew I'd be the vision of your lovely I pray that someday I'll be the vision of your loveliness. Earth angel, you're the one I adore. I love you forever and forever. I'm just a fool in love with you.
Give it up one more time. Yes, love y'all.
Love and light, beautiful soul. How you feeling? Welcome to this beautiful day. It's a glorious day. It's a warm day. Thank you to the Most High. Congratulations, Trendsetter. Beautiful Heritage Festival. I'm back and having it. We are all the funk out here. Let me introduce you to my band. They travel from a long way. It's only right. Over in my left ear, on guitar and vocals, coming from 96 South Carolina. Give it up for Grand Belcher. Grand Belcher. Let me tell you about this brother on the drums. From Columbia, South Carolina. You gotta hear his last name, John Gardner. He might have some kinfolk here. Got to give my drum a sound. On bass, how low can you go? He's also my music director, coming from Camden, South Carolina. Give it up for Justin Hayes, J-U-S-T-I-N Hayes, Justin. Give it up for Justin Hayes. Bring your warm love and beachy greetings. All more community, Seaside Road. Shirley, baby girl, I'm blessed and having it. About to get you from the top. Come on, here we go, here we
wouldn't care what the mothers say when they walk my way, 'cause I wanna give you all my attention. Every minute, every hour, girl, you can have it, girl, it's ours, yeah. Say what? So relax and take your time. Say what? 'Cause you're here with me tonight. Here with me tonight, girl. Slide to the dance floor so we can get. Ain't nobody in this club finer than you. I'ma make you mine, girl, that's what I came to do. And I'ma treat you right and make your dreams come true. Oh, oh. Dance all night. We just wanna have a baby. Hey, I see you, baby. Girl, I hope you feel the same. I wanna make you my babe. Wanna make you fall in love, give you my last name. You and me, we can take over the world, just give me a chance. 'Cause it's me, baby, that you're missing. Every morning, every evening, in the late night, just believe me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Say what, say what? Here with me tonight. Slide to the dance floor so we can get loose. Ain't nobody in this club finer than you. I'ma make you mine, girl, that's what I came to do. And I'ma treat you right and make your dreams come true. Dance all night. We just wanna have a baby. Hope you feel the same way, babe. Let's go. Come on, come on. Don't stop, girl. I'm gonna do it all night. Keep it going, baby. Let's go. Hit the floor. Don't stop, girl. I'm gonna do it all night. Keep it going, baby. What's up, man? Dance all night. We just wanna have a baby, yeah. Hope you feel the same way, babe. Oh, baby. Oh, no. Oh, girl, I hope you feel the same way. Tell me, girl. I want, oh yeah, so I can be the one who always makes you smile. Thank y'all so much for having me tonight. I appreciated being here. And I hope you appreciated me just like I appreciated you. Y'all have a powerful thing going on here. A beautiful thing going on here. It leaves me speechless. I'm just glad to be a part of it. Thank you, Ben. Appreciate y'all. Now, before I go, I gotta do one more thing. Queen, quick, could you come up here?
Got it. We here, Mr. I Can.
Now, you already know.
Yes.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Always.
Now, I don't want to leave without doing something with you.
Okay, then let's go.
Is that okay?
It's good.
Kwame, we good?
I can.
That's me. If y'all know this record, I want y'all to get on your feet. Come on. Say hello and get on your feet if you can. Y'all, come on.
Your feet.
Put your hands together, y'all. Y'all came to have a good time. Queen, let's go. You make my soul burning fire. You're getting to be sing it, y'all.
One desire. You're getting to be all.
Come on, Queen.
Me.
What?
So let me tell you more.
I
you.
Sing it again for them.
I do.
Oh, yeah. Come on, y'all. Sing it again now, babe.
All I do.
All I do, all I do. Think about you, babe.
All I do.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Come on, y'all. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Come on.
Hey, y'all, you think about you.
Hey, you know I got it. Yeah, 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 yeah,
Think
yeah.
about you. Yeah,
Come on, y'all.
all we do
Say what? Say what? Say what?
is think about you. Let's think about
chest.
All right. It's so good to see everybody. We are Fresh Vibe, and we're so excited to be back at the amazing Penn Central Heritage Days Festival again, y'all. If you're feeling all right and if you still got a little bit of gas left, I need to hear you make some noise. All right. Now, we are Fresh Vibe, ladies and gentlemen. They call me Lady A class, and looking over the crowd, I think y'all gonna be all right. Because we do the old school, the stuff that makes you feel good, the stuff that makes you remember where you were way back then. Y'all ready?